Hello everybody. So I got a delivery from home in a Tonic kit. I do have the air conditioner that's going to be coming on and off throughout the video. There's nothing I can do about that. It just gets too hot if I turn it off, even just for the length of making the video. But anyways, I got the delivery from home, and this Tonic Craft kit was one of them. And the other one, the box is too big to bring up here, so I'll have to show you what that is in a minute. But let's go through here because I have no idea at all what is going to be in here. Okay, so let's see what our craft products are. A pretty pale, so it looks like it makes a box, and of course you can always make a card to go alongside it. It tells us what we get. We get an embossing foil. Oh, this light, I don't know why this light does this. It flickers sometimes, and I'm sorry about that. Okay, and we get the binder this month. All right, so here are the dies. Here's the sticker. These are the foil things. They're basically rub-ons. We have our embossing folder. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty. I think we're gonna have fun with this one. And I'm so glad to get this kit. That's some Tonic products, right? Let's see what's in our gray bag. Oh, foil. Crystal drops in wisteria purple, pretty. We have jewel drops in sea breeze, dries translucent. We have the two foils. I hope, see, I don't have a tape runner, so we'll have to see if I'll be able to use these. And then this is the spray, not the spray, but the powder, I believe. Violet brocade, yeah, shimmer powder. And for the papers, seems like there's, maybe not. So we have some, oh, it's turned backwards. Let me turn it around. Okay, so we have a gray, one sheet. We have a light gray. Maybe it should be like silver, I guess, because it's a pale, right? And then we have this sort of pink, like orangish pink. We have like a vanilla. It could be a light yellow. We have a blue glitter. That's really pretty too. It looks to me right now a little darker in the camera than it does in person. And we have a mirror, a very bright, colorful silver mirror. And then we have a matte mirror and a sheet of vellum. That was a pretty quick showing. I do believe they've cut back on our goodies that we get as far as you know, like the Nouveau stuff. I could be wrong, but this is Tropical Ocean. This is Holo Waves. Hollow, like hologram, hollow. Ways. Foil Fusion Foil Roll. Okay. Let's look a little deeper into this. So, I don't see any stamps. So we got this, and we got an embossing folder. We got our stickers, but there are no stamps this time. Which I really need kind of some stamps. I got some, but I don't have a lot. But that's all right. It says minimum $75 value. Jewel Draws Crystal Shimmer Foil Fusion, yeah. So I guess that yellow or vanilla is what they call cream. Hollow Ways is the mirror. Frosted Silver, that was the matte one. The glitter card, the blue is Tropical Tide, Pure White Vellum. Okay. Oh, maybe the foil goes over this. I bet that's what it is. This is probably sticky and the foil goes over these. I bet you that's what it is. That's why these are called Foil Fusion, whatever they're called. All right, that's that. So my other thing that I got is the diamond press storage. Let me put this back in here. Now the last one that I got, the sides are not staying together. The sticky is not holding. I don't know why it's not humid here. It's not especially hot in the house. I have to keep the air going, but it's not especially hot in the house. So I'm a little leery and worried about it. But what are we gonna do? There's not too much. Oh. Sorry. What they've done is they've packaged it all in a big bag. But I do want to show you, because I haven't seen it yet either. And I do want to see the design. The other one, I think I'm going to end up having to glue it to get it to stay together. And I hope that doesn't happen this time. So we'll find out. Very shortly we'll find out if it's going to stay together in the next couple of days, right? Because I'm about to put it together. So you get the big envelope. And of course the instructions. Look at that pretty design in there. This is the box that goes with this lid. And they're very easy to put together, and they normally stay together very nicely. I don't know what happened with the last one. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. It wasn't the box. I'm not having trouble with the box. It's the other thing, the paper holder thing. So this And I'm not even going to stick it. I'm just going to put it together right now. And so I'm just tucking. These sides are coming around. And then the flap, I'm bringing up. And it's going into there. And when you peel the sticky back, it holds it very nice. But look at that design on the front. It's really pretty. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. It's very, very pretty, very fall. I wasn't sure if this was going to be like a Halloween thing or fall, but it's obviously fall. This it should go on either way, but it seems like sometimes it just has. I don't have it stuck down yet, but there we go. Okay, so that's that. Then it has orange dividers. And we have our magnet for your dies. And then we have this, is what I call the paper holder. It's got the bigger files. They're in orange. And it's got this, and I'm just going to cut it open. This was the one that didn't stay together. And I'm very surprised. I've never had a problem with them. So I don't know what the deal is with it this time. And I hope this one does not do the same thing. Okay, so fold it up. Fold the two sides up. This goes in. The tape comes off of here. Fold it in and bring this up. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold it in. And bring it up. And I'm not going to mess with it, even though it's a little off. I'm going to leave it. Okay, and then this little foot piece, we do basically the same thing. Peel the two sides off. The other one will keep sticking back, but it falls back off again. Right back off again, so I don't know. Okay, let's hope this one sticks. Okay. The other thing that normally comes with this is the auto ship. If you're wondering, I don't think you can get them. And I don't know if at some point they'll be available to purchase or not. these different ones. I think you could probably, well, I don't know. I haven't looked. I'm sorry, I don't want to say you can if you can't. So these become holders. You put them together. And they're just little plastic holders for whatever you need to put in there. They're about right size for 12 by 12 paper. And you get 2 of those. I'm going to put them in here. Hopefully. There we go. And then what is this? Yep. So you can write your contents. I think these are for the folders. I could be wrong. They might. I'm not sure now. All right, everybody. So that is it for this one. I am hoping to be able to get more regular again with my videos, but I can't promise anything sad at this point, but that's true. And so I will film as often as I can and get them up as soon as I can, and that's all I can promise you. So if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Everybody have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.